Welcome back everybody to the channel. My name is Dylan, Space Cadet Crypto, and today we're going to be looking at the SHIBA token again. We're doing a daily update here on the price and some new news that came out recently, more exchanges adding the SHIBA token and where we can see SHIBA going in the near future. If that interests you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on bell notifications because we're going to be doing it here every day. All right, so let's jump right in. Okay, so we are looking at the crypto fear and greed index. We can see that it is at currently 20. Yet again, still at 20. We still see a lot of uncertainty in the markets. We've been ranging within the 20 to 30 range for about 2 months now. So it is time that we do see a volatile move in the next coming weeks here for the SHIBA token and Bitcoin as well, and the whole cryptocurrency market in general. But we are still ranging that 20 range. But let's jump into some SHIBA news. Okay, so we do see a new exchange, Kanga Exchange, here adding the SHIBA token. And not only did they add the SHIBA token, this is the interesting part. They actually added Bone and LEASH as well to their exchange. So that's awesome to see. We don't see too many exchanges adding the secondary tokens for shibaswap on here. So this can hopefully add more liquidity to shibaswap when we see people holding more Bone and more LEASH, and they as well can use it to stake and earn more interest and more rewards in there. And if you're a little bit confused on what I'm talking about, make sure to go ahead and check out my other video talking about shibaswap, how to use shibaswap, and what are the rewards and cons of using staking versus liquidity pool and all that stuff, burying and digging to earn interest and rewards like the Bone token and all that stuff. So we do see here they posted this meme saying that the SHIB army has spoken. Kanga will list Bone and LEASH. By the way, SHIBA Army, you guys rock. And that is very true. The SHIBA Army has stayed strong, and a lot of them have stayed strong even throughout all the FUD about the uncertainty and doubts for shibaswap. We do see that they're still holding, and they're adding more of their secondary tokens to these exchanges like Bone and LEASH, right? So it was their plan all along. So that's awesome to see here. But let's also jump into some more news as well. We do also see that SHIB token has tweeted this yesterday saying that the new pairs that were added to shibaswap yesterday are live now. So you now can trade the liquidity pairs, or you can add to the liquidity pool. So add your liquidity to these pools to earn a lot of interest here. If you want to do the ETH to USD pairing, LEASH to Bone pairing, and SHIB to Bone pairing. So if you have any one of these, you can provide liquidity and earn interest on the fees that happen during the exchange of tokens on shibaswap. So that's awesome to see. They're adding more and more. So they're just continually updating. And like my video stated yesterday about the Certec audit and how it was a 92 and how they're resolving a lot of issues, this is just really nice momentum to see here for shibaswap and the SHIBA token and the SHIBA army here holding. But let's jump right into the price action and see where we can see SHIBA going. Okay, so currently SHIBA is trading at 0.000007 to $5, and we do see that we are still trading above this channel, which is a good thing. It's a good sign, because if we look at Bitcoin's actual channel is still being traded within its range. So the fact that we got out of that channel is a great sign, especially because of the shibaswap news. And that's why you can see how important fundamental news is to a token, because you may have noticed whatever exchange you're using, they probably do their top gainers and top losers. You can see that the tokens that are gaining a lot, they're up 30, 40, 50% in one day, are the ones with huge news that break out. And as we've seen with Bitcoin, it has been making the same channel, trading within this range. But the difference is shibaswap got that fundamental shibaswap news here at the beginning of July, and has since been trading above this channel. So we've broken out of this resistance that has been plaguing us since the end of May right here, and it's just making it super hard for us to move up here to that 0.0001 level here with only 4 zeros, right? But we've been in a downtrend recently, and I warned in my previous videos last week that we are going to continually be in this downtrend until I see signs of a reversal happening, and so far I do not see that sign just yet. We are still going to be continually trading within this range, so expect the SHIBA token to be trading within this lower range still. And if we do break through this channel, that could be a very bad sign, because that means that we could be coming back here and trading within this channel again. So we do not want to see that happen. But right now, as you can see, we've touched this bottom part of the blue box resistance for so many times here. Back here, support, 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 resistance, support, resistance, and support again. So a lot of times already, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times already, major touches of support. So it's only a matter of time that we actually break through this resistance or the support and start trading within this lower range again. But that's not to say that it's already set in stone. We still can have a massive pump. But as you can see, I did draw this line of resistance right here. So if the price breaks through this resistance, then we can see a nice move to the upside. But as of right now, it's still uncertain, and we are below all these moving averages. Let me just zoom in right here and show you how important the moving averages really are, because we see that this is the blue box down here. This is the white resistance line that I drew here as well, that we found support on previously. Once we broke through that, we've just been starting to trade through within this range of this 8 level all the way down to here to this 7 level. And right now we did get a nice rejection from this point right here. So this is where I would have put a short, right, and then collected profits down here at the bottom, or waited a little bit longer if I see a confirmation of the trend still remaining in place. But we do see that we got a nice touch here, rejection, and now we're just facing back down here to these lower areas to retest support. But that's what it's looking like for Shiba right now. And if we look here on the RSI, we were coming up here towards an uptrend. Remember, this white line is the middle of the RSI, the relative strength index, showing us that we are going to be in an uptrend. And look, we got rejected perfectly at the middle of this RSI and started coming back down here. We got another double top pattern right here, double top, and we are still currently in a downtrend. We are in the oversold area though, so that means that we could come back up and retest this area, signifying a slight run up here if we do not get rejected. But we keep getting rejected from this line. We're not closing any 4-hourly candles above this yellow resistance. And as you can see, if you look here, all the moving averages are acting as that dynamic resistance as well. So it is still looking like a downtrend for Shiba token. And like I said before, we had this double top pattern right here, double top. And so the price target is down here in this area around 6.8 to 7. So we will see if we come and start trading down here below this area. But if we still bounce off of this area, that's going to be a good sign that we could come in for a reversal. We could hit maybe a inverse head and shoulder and make our way back up here. But as of right now, it's still looking bearish at the moment. If we look on the 6-hourly, also we're below all our moving averages. And if we look on the daily, we're almost very close to having a bear cross here, where the 21-day moving average is going to start coming down here and the 50 is going to start trailing sideways. And we could see that potential bear cross where we come up, retest the area, and then enter in a prolonged downward resistance. So that's what it's looking like, and I will keep you updated on this channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on bell notifications, because I'm going to be covering it all right here. But that is it for this video. Hope you found it informative, and if you have any comments down below, make sure to ask any questions down in the comments, and I'll get to them as quickly as I can. I've been very busy lately, so I haven't been able to answer a lot of the comments, but I am going to start changing that very soon. But that is it for me. Thank you so much. Peace out.